Hey there, Stephanie Washer. I'm going to show you how to install Cisco Packet Tracer. So if you come to your main page on Netacad, so you'll have to log into Netacad, get on there. On the main page, I actually put a link, Packet Tracer download. If you like to go through the modules and not, use the links on the front page. As my computer's taking forever now again. Sometimes the internet just comes in and out on my computer. And so we've got student resources under the welcome, but we also have download and install packet tracer assignment. And I just love it. This is what happens when you live in the country. Student resources packet tracer link on the assignment page, and as you go through you can see we have different resources here. The packet tracer, this first one is where you're going to download it, and then the second one is a course that you can take. So if you want to take it, you can go through it. It's a 10-hour course. That's what they say it is. So if you have a little bit of time, you can do it. It didn't take me quite that long, but as you scroll down, you've got your main page here. There's a couple updates. I just go down to your main download. So we've got 64-bit Windows download, which is what I have. I've already downloaded it because I did not want to spend so much time waiting for a download. But if you have Linux or Mac or even mobile versions, I'm going to try it both on my Samsung tablet and on my iPad, so I'm going to try it out. So right now what I've noticed is it works really well. I like it with dual monitors is what happens. So you'll click on it to download, and then you'll save the file, and then it will download and save in your downloads. So I have already saved it. It's already in my downloads, and I'm going to double click on it. And it comes up, you're going to accept the agreement, of course. And basically, please don't distribute this. Like, don't share this. Just use it for your own personal use on your computers. And let it save wherever it wants to save. Create a desktop shortcut, yeah, sure. And install it. I don't generally create a desktop shortcut. Most of the time I use the packet tracer files that come with Cisco. So you might find out that's what happens with you, but every once in a while you might have a lab that I say, oh, go ahead and just create that on packet tracer. And you'll say, huh? And so that's where kind of getting to know packet tracer might work out pretty nicely. So we're almost done here with the install. There's a packet tracer in chapter 1 or module 1, and in that module, when you finish, it will open up. In that module 1, it is so complicated, I don't even assign it anymore. It just confuses students. So you are more than welcome to look at it, but if you open it up and go, whoa, then shut it. Close it right back up. So here's packet tracer. The first time you open it, you should sign into it. This one didn't because I've had multiple versions of packet tracer on here. So you'll sign in as your student information. So you'll have your username and password that you'll log in with. You can log in with guest on these, but it's so much easier just to log in as you, as a student. So that is everything for installing packet tracer. And the next video that I'll have up is how to use packet tracer and how to use it for Cisco I.